How to get Masahiro in Raid Shadow Legends. So, the original unlock method for this legendary Shadowkin champion was in the Fragment Summon event in around May. The official event required players to collect champion fragments from specific events and tournaments. You could go ahead into the summoning portal, into the Fragment Summon, and Masahiro was here to unlock. But as you can see, I don't think he's here anymore. Even if you double check, you'll just reach the 4 stars. But if you had enough of the fragments of his, you should have been able to summon Masahiro and have it for yourself. But now Masahiro is no longer limited only to this original fragment event. He has appeared in progressive chance events, including a recent August event where he was available from ancient or primal and sacred shards. So you can take a look over here, and apparently Masahiro is one of the characters you could get as a chance, but because of the large pool in the summoning portal, it is a very low chance. But technically, one way you can get Masahiro, other than the past fragment summon, you can take a look at the events as well. There could be chances where he is back in the events where you can get him as a sort of reward, but oops, of course you won't be able to get him just as a participation fee. You will be able to get him if you participate and do actual good progress in that event. So you can watch for his increased chance event. It does happen sometimes. Since you probably missed the original fragment event, your best current route is to watch the summoning portal, this thing over here, and events page for another progressive chance or special summon event that does feature Masahiro. So save your eligible shards until he is actually listed in the event pool. But that's pretty much a few things you can put in mind if you are wondering how you can still get Masahiro. So hopefully this video does help still. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.